Pick trees are one of the most amazing features in Laravel. Here I have a post model and I am dumping all the posts. So currently there is no data inside posts. So how we can pack and pack data using Laravel pack trees. So let's see. First of all, let's see what I have inside the post migration. So I have title, a description and user ID, and in the model post model I have added these two variables. So let's add user ID as well. Now inside post factory I have title, description and user ID. All we are doing here is using the packer generator and generating pack sentences, paragraphs, and for the user ID I am creating each user for each post. So this packer generator is really amazing. It has a whole bunch of features. So we will see this later. Let's create one pack user. So how we can do this? I am going to do this using Tinker. So if we type PHP artisan Tinker, so let's create one post. So app model post, then factory create. So this will create one post. You can see the post has been created and user ID has been assigned. So if you refresh this, you should see one post. As you can see, one post has been created. Here is it. So this packer generator has a whole bunch of things that we can give a try to. Here is it. So you can see the sentences here, paragraphs, text, booleans, hashes, country codes, and one of the funny things here is emojis. So let's try this one as well. We can create emojis and store emojis in the database as well using packer generator, and a whole bunch of other things are here. So let's try the emoji one. Going back to factory, and instead of sentence I'm going to use emoji. Save. Let's rerun the Tinker. Create. Yes, as you can see, emojis has been added to our post table. Let's create another one. You can see they are adding different emojis to each time we call this. As you can see, the angry one, sad one, then this one crying. Let's refresh this and see what we got. So seven posts, and here they have added the emojis here. So this packer generator has a whole bunch of features. You can check them out. A whole bunch of features. You can add a lot of things. As you can see, they can generate UID as well.